army of chickens.
Alright, guys.
Let's go, boys.
No! Live on the fucking floor.
Yeah, I'm glad we were all looking at the stacked chickens. It's good.
My chickens, bro.
Chickens.
Hey, guys. How's it going?
Hello.
I don't know this map.
Let's go, chickens.
What is this
Come
map?
here.
What are we playing,
Whoa, whoa,
guys?
Come here, come here, come back. Come back to daddy. Come back here. Come here.
Oh no.
Come here, bro.
Oh god, I'm using...
Come here, little
Hit
bro.
one?
Bro. No, bro. Come here. Come here. Come on.
This guy?
Alright.
Go hide.
There's one more B. I'm pushing back into B.
Oh, that was a nice strafe.
There's one dark.
Yeah, one dark.
Left side.
It's on left side.
I'm whiffing so
Really
hard.
good people now.
Other one CT.
Oh, nice shit. That was cool. It's been 2 daes.
Well, I mean, last week you barely played with us either.
Last week? What was I doing last week?
I don't know. You're dead by daylight.
Oh, I was
shit.
streaming, but I was streaming like weird shit.
He's on the
Oh,
corner.
behind the door. What the
One more
hell?
ramp. One more main. One more main. He's okay. I'm flashing through this. I'm going through this. Heaven, maybe? Check heaven. Check heaven.
Weenus.
Oh.
Out A. Dead.
Bro, whatever the fuck heaven is.
One mid.
One heaven.
One heaven. One sight. Push.
Oh.
NT.
What's really funny is Thomas has the same things as me.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, of course you do. One mid. One pushing water.
You push this?
He's behind. He's right here. Another behind. No. Okay. You guys got it. You guys got it. Oh, hi, Ferretti. Welcome.
Oh, there's 3 there. There's 3 there.
I'd stream on Discord, but I'm streaming, so.
Cool, man. Dude's wild. I mean, dude, you weren't here in New York.
There's one behind us. There's one water. Dark. Dead.
Oh, I need my phone. I need my phone. I need my phone. I need my phone. Fuck, I have to respond to that. What time is it? 9:34. It's been
Hold
30
behind
minutes.
for now. Hold behind for now.
I have a shotgun.
Yeah, then okay. I'm mollied out here. Is this guy gonna swing or am I have to swing it? I'm swinging? Okay. Nice. There's still one more A. We should rotate here. Should be one more.
One more behind us. One behind us.
I whiffed that. Holy, one more A. Oh, fuck. I thought I could wide swing that.
Stop blocking me, Ripper. I'm literally gonna stab him.
Both of you guys are just blocked. Okay. Nobody pre-fires that?
I pre-fired it. But Ripperoni's blocking the fuck
He's
out.
gonna be in the corner.
He's in there.
He's in the
Wait,
fucking... Okay, there's a flank too.
Guys, I don't want to play this game anymore.
There's one more. Do we have flank dead?
Like he's dead.
Okay, let's go back towards B. We have no idea where anyone is. I'm swinging.
Oh. There's an op. Okay. Still worth it. Let's go. Hype. They give him the op. Big mistake.
It's free.
Free
One more mid. Could be playing in the smoke. I'm blowing my spawn camp. Yep, dead. Move, you fat ass!
One more flank. TJ flank.
Hey? Move, fat ass! Oh, I'm safe. Oh,
And we got him.
There's one there.
I'm holding long. One's flat. Falling long. Scatter can't peek anymore. One flank.
Two flank, two flank. One down, one up. Nice.
Damn, he's
Good
lit.
bomb.
What? You killed us out the head!
It's okay, I got it.
God, that's ridiculous.
Come here, boy.
These
3,
people.
2.
Suicide.
There's one here.
I can't move!
Got him. Don't worry, dude. I'm better.
One on the right side.
Alright.
Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, what was that?
He's not right. He's not right. He's in. Mauling that. One spawn, Mickey. One spawn. Left as well.
Wow. Two there. Top. One flank, one flank.
One flank.
Okay, can this guy kill anybody? What is he doing back here?
Oh my god!
What is he doing back here?
Yep.
Go away. There should be one dark, Krish.
What is dark? Is that around the corner?
No, that's towards B. I'll hold it. Yep, there's two of them. Dead. I'm the best in the game, baby.
This one's probably on B.
Up.
Never mind.
3 health, baby.
Treved. I'm nading him. He has MPs. He has MP9. One back flat. Anyone have a nade to block that off?
Oh, one's on the right, one's on the right.
One's okay. Copy that. Yup.
Oh my god, he just aims like that.
What? How did whiff that?
Ow! Oh my god, that
Most
hurts.
likely. Yo, we have no one on B. We have no one anywhere.
Oh,
Fast B. Fast B.
where's my gun?
Team.
BSB.
I think I found that out.
God damn!
One sight.
Oh, that's a
One
terrorist.
sight. One left.
That's a terrorist. So,
Oh fuck! I whiffed. Nice.
Okay, we're good.
Is that
We
a
just did
pussy on the back
something.
of your gun?
It might be.
What's on the back of his gun?
Hey.
One mid.
Yeah. Hey.
There's one mid. Krish, care. Not out yet. There's still one mid. One's pillar. Oh, you got him.
This is a motherfucking lore!
Good round.
You killed
Come on,
everybody. Wow.
Let's go!
watch out mid. I hear people.
Yep. Coming
I hear a
out.
lot here.
Oh my god! I actually almost lived that. One's mid. One's pushing mid. Dead. Okay. Worth.
Nice.
I swung a little bit early, but it's okay. Deagle Demon!
Throwing a grenade.
Nice.
Another RPG. Yep, Shots A. I'm nading this, Miggy.
Yep.
Flushing tower left. Keep looking at them. Got one spin in the back. He's had glitching.
Oh, Jesus. My bad.
Oh, he jiggled that well. That's a good jiggle. I should have felt that.
Wow, what the fuck?
Brother, what are you aiming at?
The wall.
He
No!
likes feet, dude. Stop. Don't judge him. Oh my god, he likes feet. I'm gonna hold back.
Dude, this man needs to get laid.
I would peek mid, but I'm just gonna hold the B. Okay. We are all holding
Wow.
the B.
Did I get armor? He just killed me like that. That was so fast.
One more B. 3 bullets. Next, there's time to reload as any.
One immediate left.
What?
MT.
Most likely gonna be one dark. Yep, he's
To the
dark.
back here.
One CT where like
One's gonna be dark to your right, maybe. In the...
two weapons.
Fuck.
GG dudes.
Most deaths, damn.